the Hindu phobia is so strong. Even in the literature, the education circle, you will be surprised. Not even 1% of Hinduism chairs in universities all over the world is occupied by practicing Hindu. Not even 1% of Hinduism chairs all over the world is occupied by practicing Hindus. See the pathetic condition of Hinduism. Because Hindus have literally stopped studying Hinduism after independence. You guys have decided that IT job is the moksha, ultimate purpose. Yes. Move to US, IT job, home with a swimming pool, home with swimming pool and one wife, 2 cars, 2 kids. Great. Fools, you are losing your next generation. Criminals are those Hindus who are losing their next generation, who are not able to make your next generation practicing Hindu. You will incur the sin of destroying Hinduism. I beg you, give birth to 5 kids. You have enough money to bring them up. At least all the Hindus outside India. You all see, NRIs, I should say, Hindus outside India is the richest ethnic community. Whether in USA or in Europe, Hindus in USA, Hindus in Europe are the richest ethnic community. Richest ethnic minorities. You are all capable enough, wealthy enough, give birth to 5 kids. You bring up 2 to keep with you and to take care of you in your old age. Give to Kailasa, to Gurukul, to Hindu Gurukul, to keep Hinduism alive. Bring them up till the age of 7. Send them to Kailasa for Gurukul. Don't try to advise me. Why don't you take all the orphan kids and bring them up, Swamiji? That is not that easy in India. Orphan kids are the right of other religions. A Hindu organization or a Hindu Gurukul cannot bring up the orphan kids that easily. And first of all, in India, you cannot run Gurukul. You cannot run Hindu religious education institutions. It's illegal. I have to struggle so much and wage so many legal battles to keep my Gurukul alive along with regular Macaulay's education. I cannot run just a Gurukul without Macaulay's education. It's law in India. Fortunately now, I've got a place where I can run Hindu Gurukul as per Hinduism. I have a religious freedom. I am starting a Gurukul completely as per Hinduism. We will be teaching English language and modern day science, maths, all of it. But the Hinduism will be the main subject. And the whole Gurukul will run as per Hindu principles. And I cannot run with this kind of a syllabus and system in India. It is illegitimate. It is illegal. Just to run the Gurukul only, I have to create this Kailasa. Get a land outside India. Fortunately, we got it. I beg all the NRIs, all the Hindu diaspora outside India, you are all rich enough to bring up 5 kids. Give birth to 5. Keep 2 for yourself to bring up, and they will get married and live in the society and take care of you in your old age. Give 2 to Kailasas, Gurukul. I'll bring them up the way you will feel pride about them. Teaching them all the Hindu enlightenment sciences. And I commit with you, I will never forcibly make them sannyasis. I will never forcibly make them monks. If they want to get married, I will give them the complete option. I will bring them up as best Hindu enlightened beings with the knowledge and experience and expertise of power manifestation, science, and all the best things Hinduism has given to the world. And they will be the spiritual fulfillment of humanity. They will be the guiding force of humanity. 28 million of Hindus are living outside India. 28 million means 2.8 crore. If you all decide to give 2 kids to Kailasa, to keep the Hinduism alive, I'll have millions of kids, and I commit with you guys, I'll give the best to the world. I'll give the best to the world. I'll make enlightenment as easily available to you as Anazin, Metazin, paracetamol. I'll make third eye more common than both the eyes. I'll make power manifestation as easily available to you as smartphone. I'll make Jnanaparam more cheap and easily accessible to you than Apple products. Hindus studying full-time Hinduism. Any one branch, you can take up Veda or Agama or Purana or Smriti. I know how the Saivavelalar families used to take up studying Saiva Siddhanta full-time. At least one person from family will be there, full-time studying Saiva Siddhanta. Either he will be sannyasi, Tambiran, in some adinam or a grihastha, preacher, vidwan, pracharaka. But one person from a family will be dedicated to Saiva Siddhanta. But in the modern day, most of the Saiva Velagas do not even know the definition of Saiva Siddhanta. I request all Hindus, humbly, I am not asking you your wealth. I am not asking you your hard-earned money. I am asking you, give birth to 2 more kids than your need. If you want to take care of you in your old age, give birth to 5. Give 2 to Kailasa to bring up in Gurukul, Hindu Gurukul. You have to, you give 2 to the Gurukul. Let one study to become professors in Hindu universities, where he will be Grihastha, but making money, making livelihood by working for Hinduism and Hinduism related activities. Understand? I am only asking you, give me kids. We need to revive Hinduism.